This is our relaxed, lazy schwa sound. We really need to relax our jaw. O, do. I like to remember this one by imagining the shape of my lips, the same shape as that symbol. O, a. And again, I like to remember the shape of my mouth with this symbol. It's big, it's open. A. Cup. O. On. Ka. So here's a quick tip. The sound with the two dots are long vowel sounds. E, oo, o, a. This right side has the diphthong sounds. They are also vowel sounds, but they are different because each individual sound is made up of a combination of sounds. Compare that monophthong sound, ah, which is just one sound, with the diphthong sound, oi, which is two sounds combined to make one sound. So the oi diphthong sound is actually made up of the o and I vowel sounds. O, I, oi, oi. Let's go through all of them now. A, as in day. Oi, as in boy. I, as in like. Air, as in hair. Ear, as in hear. Ur, as in tour. O, as in show. Ow, as in mouth. The bottom half of the IPA table shows all of the English consonant sounds, and you'll see that some of these symbols are the same as English letters. And that makes things simple. There are two main types of English consonant sounds, unvoiced and voiced. Unvoiced consonant sounds are made by pushing air through your mouth, and it's the air that creates the sound. So actually, when you make unvoiced consonant sounds, you should be able to hold your hand in front of your mouth and you should feel the air coming out. So let's practice and keep your hand there if you need to. P, P, fa, think, t, top, s, say, sh, she, ch, chip. That sound, ch, is a combination of the t and sh. Remember that when you're looking for this symbol. Ch, k, key. Voiced consonant sounds are made using your vocal cords. So when you're using your vocal cords, you can feel them vibrating or moving.
Extra vowel sounds. R as in red. Ed as in this. E as in tree.